as you can tell. But I thought I would do a quick little video filming. I have exams all week and then I'm leaving on vacation. Vacation. So I thought I would do this fun little video. I'm doing this thing, I'm trying. Okay. I am looking at an apartment and I am planning on moving out of my house around next year-ish. I apologize if you hear any background sounds. Once again, my parents are listening to TV and the bass is super loud for some reason. I do not know why. I don't know what they're watching. They're too old to be watching something with this much bass. But I thought I would tap on some trinkets because I'm trying to whittle down my trinket collection right now because I might be moving out and it's just too much stuff, you know. So I have a ton of trinkets and I thought they would make some really nice sounds. And it's just like a nice easy video for me to do as I'm studying for exams. Okay. So I'm gonna start with what's on my windowsill right now. This was just purchased from the Dollar Tree. I am trying to paint these. I just started a little garden with my boyfriend. We were gonna try growing some of our own food. I'm obviously not gonna keep it like this. I'm going to paint it. I have another one that I painted. I will show you guys right now so you understand that it's not gonna be this ugly. Okay, this is one I painted. It was so ugly before. This one's actually not done. You can tell it's like a little bit unfinished, but I don't really like spend that much time on these because they're gonna go in the garden. You can see 125. So I painted this. This was all solid pink before. Did some shading on it. I haven't done a ladybug yet. I don't have red paint right now. Did the flowers, the door. All of this was different colors. This pink line was really hard to get, but you can see the difference in, you know. So that's one of the first things. This won't be on my windowsill forever. I'm planning on painting this and gifting that one specifically. And then the second thing that I have is a candle. Do not demonetize me, YouTube, okay? It's just a candle. And it smells really good. But I just thought this was so cute. I'm still looking for a Diet Coke one. It was so freaking expensive. It was $25. But so worth it. Also for like a while, I don't drink, but like for a while it looked so much like a can. I would go to like pick it up and drink it because I'm always drinking like sparkling waters and stuff. So that's on my windowsill. I have a couple plants and like pictures and stuff, but that's not really trinkets, okay? We're gonna move on to trinkets. This is a jar that holds a flower my boyfriend made for me out of paper for our anniversary. So cute. And I'm hoping he'll make me some more, so although it took him a long ass time. And he sprayed his cologne on it, but it's not like that. to be charged. I thought I could turn it on for you guys, but I think she's very out of battery with this little lamp. You'll notice that a lot of these things are gifts for my boyfriend. This isn't really a trinket, but it's a little reading light. In the shape of a tulip, which is perfect for me. And of course, we've got a little bowl of crystals. This is my bed stand, so. See, I don't want to like knock them over, but and it's in a really cute little dish. So that's mostly on this table. I have some books and stuff, but that's not trinkets. Now we're gonna go to my little cart next to my bed. This was something I bought my best friend right before she left for school. We got matching green tea makers. I don't even drink tea, so this might be one I have to get rid of. I love my best friend dearly, but I never drink tea, and I have not figured out something to put in this. And it's so cute, and I just feel like somebody else would appreciate it. And we have so many little things that we match, necklaces and stuff like that. So there's that. I tried making tea in it once, and I'm just not a tea drinker, guys. I promise I really tried. Okay. Then, I'm not kidding, got Legos here. I built this with my boyfriend because he really likes Legos, and like I want to like do the things that he likes, obviously, but I'm like not super into Legos, but this like set was really cute and like easy to use. So I built it, and it was on clearance. So she just goes in this little car here. She's holding ice cream because she's cute like that. And we put a little, oh, I forgot I put a banana in here. When I move out, I don't know if this will go with me. It might go to my sister or I don't know, the little girls across the street, but I might keep it. It's really cute. And it's a mutual interest me and my boyfriend have. And the other part of it is this surfing guy. But the reason I actually got it is because it comes with this little dog. So, I got that little dog. This is a cinnamon roll latte. My parents bought me a little mystery box for my birthday because I know I love gotcha stuff. I'm really trying to stop purchasing gotcha stuff like keychains and stuff because it is seriously like an addiction. And it's a little cinnamon roll guy. He's milk. So I think it's super cute. This one will probably come with me. This one's definitely going with me. This one my boyfriend made for me. Zigzagoon, which is my favorite Pokemon, if you don't know, on a little heart. So that's super cute. But I'm gonna try to tap on some of the more like the better sounding trinkets. So this one might not go with me, but it is really cute. My boyfriend hand painted this. We bought the pots from Daiso. He did a really good job. I think it's like really cute. The strawberry's a little wacko, but lavender and bee is cute, and I like the cactus. But I just don't have any plants right now at work, so. This is a candle that has a lot of meaning to me that I got broke the other one. Pieces are falling off. So I'm gonna stop tapping that because I don't want it to break. But anyways, this is, I don't smoke, but this lighter was so cute. I'm actually scared of using it. I'm like trying to use it to like light my candles, but I'm terrified of it. And I like the long ones, but it was so pretty. But I just had to buy it as like a souvenir. Let's see if I can start it. I definitely can. Guys, I did it. Hold up. Okay, I'm not gonna try again. But you saw I did it. Okay, that was on camera. That was on camera. You cannot dispute it. I'm gonna see what other trinkets I have a lot, but I've been trying to like slowly like decrease the trinkage. Let's see. Oh, you know what? This one might be nice to tap on. This was a gift from a client I worked for, one of my first clients. I started being a caregiver, whom I really enjoyed. And they gave me this little it was actually a husband and wife, but he had actually lost his first wife before, and it was one of her the only thing I have from like that time of my life. Putting the stuff back is gonna be hard, so I'm just gonna leave it out and like hope for the best. Oh, this one should make interesting sounds. This was a gift from my boyfriend. He went to Romania. That's where his family lives. And it's like this little bit. It's a real egg in there, apparently. This one will probably, I have 3, so I don't know if every single one will go with me, but at least this one will because it's pink. And I like it a lot. Then we've got this one most likely won't go with me because I don't use it, but it makes a sound. Although it is cute. So, there's that one. I think that's honestly like, I have a lot more, but they'd be hard to get in and out. They're not as fun to tap on, so I think that's it for today, guys.